G'day, my name's Jared. I'm here in the Selwyn district on opening day for 2018. We've been coming here for the second year on this pond. It's the first year that my son Leighton, who is 6, has got to shoot, so he's pretty excited to have a go on the 410 and try and get himself a duck. Yeah, opening day's been pretty good for us today. There was a slight wind this morning and the cloud cover seemed to be fine. Full moon didn't help and the ducks seemed to arrive early, but that's the way it goes. That's hunting and you just deal with it at the time. So the best part for me for opening day is getting together with your friends and family. As I say, it's got my boys here with me this time, and it's pretty exciting watching him develop and grow and learn to blow his duck calls and have a go at wanting to shoot some ducks and just the camaraderie for the whole day really. So today was quite a good day for me. It was the first time in my shooting career of probably 15 years on ducks that I managed to get myself a blonde mallard hen. I'm pretty excited that it happened today, so and the boy got to see it, so that was pretty neat. For the coming season, I hope to have more quality rather than quantity on the ducks. Having a big limit is nothing to me. I'd rather have a good half a dozen ducks that decoy nice and take a few for the pot and that's it. You don't need to go overboard.